Okay na!
Thank you, Lord! Yay! Hello everyone! Welcome to my first solo exhibit, Shekina series. I am Criselda Manalo and I'll welcome you to my artworks. I'll share the thought behind this creative process. So as you can see, the centerpiece that I have here is the angel's wings. And what it means is God's protection. So I have 6 pieces of this, which you can see on this side of the exhibit.
Yeah.
I have here the 4th edition, the 3rd edition, the 6th edition, and the 5th edition. Those are one of my newest series that I am opening and launching in this exhibit. So my goal in this exhibit is to express my gratitude and my thanksgiving to our God. That's why the title of this exhibit is Shekina, which means God's presence.
Yeah.
So as you can see here, this is the first series of Shekina. This is my interpretation of God's glory. So if you can remember one of the stories in the Bible, which is Moses, when he was at Mount Sinai, God's presence went down through cloud formation, and this is my interpretation of that scenario. And then this one is my interpretation of God's promise when God, you remember the story of Noah, right?
In the
and
flood.
God promised that He won't do that
Again.
And He said that you will see a rainbow. That's why it looks like a rainbow, but golden one.
Diffused,
Yes.
no? Hindi yung actually colors of the rainbow.
Yes, it's golden rainbow.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we have here is my first self-portrait,
Ayan.
which is entitled Metanoia. As you can see, my hair here is still short, but I went through a lot of process since I created
Metanoia?
Metanoia. Metanoia means a change of heart, change of mind, and metamorphosis means unfolding to its new form.
Like a butterfly.
Yes, like a butterfly. So now I have a long hair.
Dati
I have
pala
long
short.
hair, yes.
Parang mukhang okay din.
Yes.
Okay din yung short.
So now I went through a lot of process, and that's why I can express myself through painting. I would consider that as transforming. Okay, so let's go to this side of the exhibit. We have here 2 resin arts. So as you can see, it's one of the different material that I use. Most of the materials that I use on other paintings are oil and acrylic.
Yeah.
But with this one, I use
Resin.
art because I want to illustrate water and natural resources. So for this one, it's entitled Bantayan. If you have been to Cebu, one of the most beautiful islands that I have been is Bantayan. And the water in Bantayan has its special color. It's not blue, it's not green, but it's this color.
Turquoise or aqua?
Yes, it's aqua, it's turquoise. Yes, so that's my interpretation. And then here, it's entitled Emerge.
Emerge,
Yes, so emerge means emerging from something. So I'm looking at the Philippines as island that emerged. If you have been to Siargao, when you're landing, before you land, you will see the island. And this is how the island looks. So if you will notice, it looks like island from the top view when you're on the plane. Right? Okay, let's go to the last piece. This is my centerpiece. I made this 5 days ago. I did it for about 2 to 3 hours.
2 to 3 hours? Come on! Grabe.
So that's how I do my artwork.
Biglaan, oo.
I don't really have a specific thing in my mind, but I just choose color. I choose color. I choose material, and that is how I'm creating the artwork that I will make. So I don't have any particular idea in my mind, but as I paint, it unfolds inside.
Yeah.
And
Ganda ng colors.
Thank you so much. The title of this artwork is My Dear Country.
My Dear Country.
So I don't know what you perceive in the artwork, but
This is flower, no? Lotus, birds.
So lotus is one of the most special flowers for me. It has a great significance because lotus, it sprouts from mud.
Yes.
But if you're gonna look at it closely, it's so white, it's so pure. It doesn't look like it came out of mud. So I'm looking when I painted this and finished this is how I can see the Philippines right now.
So it's emerging again. But this
Yes.
is a bridge. No,
this
no.
is a pillar of hope.
Pillar of hope.
Yes, that's why it's gold.
And then the birds, no?
Yes. Yes.
Ang ganda. Alam ko yung lotus, nagsusubmerge siya sa gabi, tapos sa umaga, yung flower niya,
Yes.
lumilitaw eh. Kaya siya special eh. Don't shop. Wag na kayong bumili, mag-adapt na lang kayo kasi maraming animals.
I'm also a cat
Advocate.
lover. Cat lover. Not all cats, but not a particular breed of cat, but I have a passion for stray cats. One of my cats is also a stray cat. And this is a story of a stray cat finding its home. So the first piece is waiting. And then the second piece is wandering, like looking for a home. And then the third piece is finding its home. Our exhibit will run until June 4. Some artworks are already sold, but we will post the available artworks in Neoma website. You can purchase the artworks there.
Neoma Galleria.
Yes, Neoma Galleria website. So we'll keep you posted with the details of where you can see the artworks, and if you're interested to purchase them as well. In neomagalleria.com.
Siyempre, womanhood. Siyempre, ang pinaka-subject ko dyan is mother, no?
Mother. Tapos may nakalagay love. So ito yung anak.
Yes.
Why different
And-
colors eh?
Hindi, kasi ang hina-highlight ko dyan, or she, being woman, kasi yung kulay niya.
She is clothed with strength, can laugh at the days to come. Proverbs.
Yes. So, from Proverbs 31:25. So,
Okay.
di ba? Yung meaning talaga nito is she is clothed with strength and dignity.
Yes.
She can laugh at the days to come.
Yes!
Di ba?
Ibig sabihin ano ka, wala kang katakot-takot
Yes.
kung anong darating.
Kaya nga, di ba yung title ng ano namin ngayon is Womanhood Unveiled.
Yes.
It's the portrait of strength and resilience.
Yes.
So, yun naman talagang ano.
Pinakamatibay pala ang mga mother dahil lahat na lang ng sakit dinadanas nila eh.
Yes.
Pati
So,
sakit
kahit-
ng pamilya.
Totoo.
Diba?
Kasi siya yung nag-absorb ng lahat.
Eksakto. The Filio, Unbreakable Love. 15,000! Woohoo! Theodore Events Place. Di, may cut na.
Wala na kanina pagkain. Kanina ang dami. Ay! With the box.
Kung ano daw yung ano lahat.
Mga supporters natin yan, supporters.
Yes. Pero yung init.
Balang araw magtutulungan din tayong lahat.
Artist.
Si Ralph, nakinig sa kabila.
Bongga yung ano niya. Opening niya, bonggang-bongga. Ano, nahiya naman ako. Sabi ko, ba't mga tao dito naka-formal? Ano klaseng opening to? Dala ko pa yung helmet ko. Sabi ko, uwi na ako, nakakahiya. Tapos nakita ko yung motor mo. Akala ko naman, wala na kayo, nandun lang kayo sa mga tabi-tabi. Hotbox, pinopromote ka.
Mainit.
Ano, lalagyan natin, gagawin natin sariling vlog si Hotbox. Baka sakaling susunod eh, ano?
Baka naman may sponsor.
Oh, Hotbox ha, ayan ha. Hindi namin, hindi scripted, masarap daw talaga. Hotbox. Ayan ha. Magulat siguro yung may-ari. Bakit meron ako dito vlog na Hotbox? Ako ba to? Hindi, masarap. Walang bilog. Sarap. Delicious.